a brand is, right? McDonald's, Apple's, Lexus, Levi, and Rolex, they're all brands. But do you know what a personal brand is? And even more importantly, do you know how to build one? If you answer no to either one of those questions, then this course is definitely for you. Now more than ever, you need a personal brand. If you want to stand out from the competition, attract new clients, and build a thriving business, it's also very important to build a powerful, thriving personal brand. If you're an entrepreneur like myself, it's critical to always be devoting at least some time each week to strengthening your brand. As you'll find out later in this course, your personal brand is one of your biggest assets. Your personal brand can also take your business to places you've never thought possible. But first, you have to know how to build one. So who am I? My name is Shereitta. I'm a passionate web designer, marketing expert, business consultant, virtual assistant, and empowerment coach. Over the past 10 years, I've helped entrepreneurs from all over the world sharpen their mindset, set up, and launch functional, thriving, and profitable businesses, all while learning new skills and helping them to make their businesses stress-free 24 hours a day. So I know my stuff, and during the time together, I'm going to help you develop the tools that you need to start taking action. So if you want a brand that generates you income, all while positively contributing to others, then you've arrived at the right place. But unfortunately, most business owners, they don't know how to build a personal brand. They feel confused on what steps to take and what's involved in creating a brand around themselves. So that's what I created this course for. I'm going to give you a roadmap that will walk you through what a personal brand is, why you need a personal brand, and a step-by-step guide to building your own. So at this point, you might be thinking, why do I really need a personal brand? Here's the reality. Every entrepreneur, coach, consultant, freelancer should be building their own brand. It doesn't matter if you're not a big name or a Fortune 500 company. If you're trying to build a business of any sort, you need to be building your own personal brand. You need to be a Hollywood celebrity in order to benefit from building a personal brand. There are a few things more powerful than your personal brand. The more you focus on building it, the greater the results you see. Now, are you ready to start building your very own personal brand? Are you ready? Check out the course description, and I hope to see you inside.